Hello everyone, so today I'm gonna edit a couple photos from the Lightroom export, and so let me get started. And I'm gonna use a VSCO to tone these photos. I'm gonna crop it closer for 4x5 Instagram use only. And so once I arrange this 4x5, maybe crop it a little bit closer. Okay, and then rotate a little bit just to make sure the line is parallel on top as well. And then sharpen it up a little bit, exposure reduce a little bit more. So let me go back on top. So increase the exposure. Next, I'm gonna choose the filter that I'm gonna use. I think the U3 is too strong in here. I'm gonna choose the G7 because the tone matches the overall environment. I'm gonna just increase the highlight save also. And I think the G7 match nicely in here. So okay, I will save this one. So once I saved it, I'm gonna copy the same setting, copy edit, and then paste it to here so that it has a similar location, lighting, so it saves more time in here. And then for this one, I'm gonna crop it closer so it creates a stronger impact on the image. Let me do it like this. So crop it closer. Yeah, so that's the before and after. So it has a stronger contrast of the overall image because the lines are strong. So the stronger contrast will make the leading lines even more powerful. So I'm gonna put it here. Okay, so save as, and then I'm gonna copy the edit, paste it to here. And for this one, I'm gonna do the heavy cropping, and make sure the head is around the top third area of the image so that it is more powerful for this one. Okay, save it. And for the next one, let me copy the edit and then paste all those three. It might be too dark for here. I'm gonna increase the lighting a little bit for this one, and the contrast, slightly adjust the contrast. And even the G7, you can see that the G7 we can even make it stronger, and I think this is good. And I'm gonna copy this one next to the other photos so that it has a similar lighting as well. Okay, so save this one and then copy, edit, and then paste it to here. I can adjust the different filter for this one. Let me see, E5. I think the contrast still too strong for here. We can do a different style, but for now I'm gonna stick with the G7. G7 is nice for the brown tone. This brown tone is nice for, I think it's for the coffee shop also, so coffee shop style is nice too. So let me save this one. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for more video coming up. Bye.